Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a multi-purpose Discord bot in 2026. So if you want one bot that can handle moderation, music, AI replies, leveling, and automation, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide what features your bot should include. So moderation tools, welcome messages, music commands, leveling systems, AI chat, or server logs. Next, go to the Discord developer portal and create a new bot application. This is where your multi-purpose bot begins. So yeah, generate an invite link and add the bot to your server. Enable permissions like managing messages, roles, and voice channels. Now create your main command system. Start with simple commands like help, ping, moderation, and role management. So yeah, include moderation tools like auto moderation, mute, kick, ban, and spam filters. This helps manage your community automatically. Next, add fun features like leveling systems, reaction roles, mini games, or music playback. These features increase community engagement. So yeah, connect AI tools for smart replies and automatic responses. AI can turn your bot into a virtual assistant for your server. Now organize your commands properly and control who can access them. Admin commands should stay restricted to trusted roles. Finally, test all features carefully and host your bot online so it runs 24/7. So cloud hosting keeps your bot active all the time. And that's how to create a multi-purpose Discord bot in 2026. Once your bot combines moderation, entertainment, and automation, it becomes a powerful tool for your community. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.